Thank you for your interest in the Tippmann Clicker die cutting press series. We offer two presses, the Clicker 700 press and the Clicker 1500 press. The Clicker 700 press has a 12 by 12 inch cutting area, with the Clicker 1500 has a 12 by 24 inch cutting area. These are both air powered die cutting presses. You can use three types of dies with our presses. The steel rule die, this is a .937 high die mounted in wood or in acrylic, has ejection foam in it to kick the material out. You can use this type of die blade up or blade down. In this case, that's why it has the acrylic on it, so that you can lay it down and still see what you're doing. The second type of die that you can use with the press is a forged die. This is an 1.25 inch high die. It's also called a feed-through die. With this type of die, you set it on top of your material. The material then comes up through the top. This allows you to cut a large stack of material. The third type of die that you can use with our press is called a clicker die. This type of die we build in-house. It's an 1.25 inch high die. These are a little bit less precise types of dies, ordinarily used for cutting leather, rubber, things of that nature. Again, you can cut larger stacks of material with this type of die. Another nice feature that you can use with a steel rule die is the steel rule die allows you to put registration pins into the die. For instance, with printed material, where you might have to have printed alignment, you would use these retractable pins incorporated into your die. Real quick, I'm going to demonstrate the Clicker 700 press cutting through rubber with a steel rule die. Take the die, slide it in, click it out. And as you can see, we get a nice clean cut. That type of die would actually allow me to cut through a 3/4 inch thick stack of this rubber material. And that was a steel rule die. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the Clicker 1500 press, cutting again with a steel rule die. We will slide the die and material in, cut it out. And as you can see, we get a nice clean cut. This die, I believe, was designed as a CD sleeve or a DVD sleeve, as you can see by the pattern. You can also incorporate a creasing edge into this type of die. Now, the third type of die I'm going to demonstrate is the forged die. Again, also called a feed-through die. We'll demonstrate this die blade down. So we'll take the material, we will set it on top of the board, set the die on top of the material, slide it in, and click it out. And you see we get a nice clean cut. If you have any questions on our die cutting presses, give us a call on our toll-free line, 866-286-8046. Toll-free 866-286-8046.